Hi, everybody. I'm John Smith, General Partner with Innosphere Ventures, leading the B2B software practice. I have over 30 years' experience founding and building software businesses, taking them from scratch to over $100 million in annual revenue. Now, I'm a venture capitalist, ready to guide you on your journey, helping you build your successful B2B SaaS business. This video is part of my Building a Successful SaaS Business 10-part series. Today's topic is product development. On the InnosphereFund.com website, I have a downloadable version of the complete Building a Successful SaaS Business presentation that covers all 10 topics in the video series, and I have sprinkled in over 40 hyperlinks of thought-leading articles providing much more detail on the concepts. So I really encourage you to download the presentation. So what methodology do you use to build SaaS products? You want to use a world-class Agile product development methodology to ensure a rapid, timely delivery of high-quality products and have the flexibility to respond quickly to evolving market needs. The state-of-the-art Agile methodology is the Scaled Agile Framework, known as SAFe. The creator and chief methodologist of SAFe is Dean Leffingwell, the world's authority on lean Agile best practices. The SAFe methodology is designed to provide just enough process for all company sizes, so you can start at the essential level and work your way up to full SAFe as the business grows. The ScaledAgileFramework.com website goes into great detail on how all the pieces of the methodology work. Now, product leadership consists of 3 people called a Triad. You have the product owner, who's responsible for what gets developed. The architect is responsible for how the product is developed. And the R&D manager is responsible for when the product gets released. These 3 people work together to resolve issues and keep the product development machine running smoothly. Now, the product owner owns the functionality to be implemented in the product and provides the engineering team with requirements in the form of user stories, which are prioritized in the groomed product backlog. The architect is the technical authority for the team providing technical leadership for design and implementation. The architect is responsible for all architectural deliverables. The R&D manager has the development and the QA engineers reporting to them. The R&D manager determines and commits to the schedule for product releases. Now, test-driven development, or TDD, is very effective for developing high-quality products. The idea is that the product owner includes acceptance criteria for every user story they write. The development engineer writes a unit test for the acceptance criteria, then starts to design and implement the code for the user story. The development engineer continues to run the unit test and change the code until the unit test passes. The unit test is then added to the automated regression test suite. In the Agile methodology, the team develops the product in iterations, which are usually 2 weeks long. At the end of the iteration, the development team will demonstrate the new product capability to the Triad to ensure it meets expectations. A retrospective is performed to identify areas for improvement, and then an iteration planning session is conducted to begin the next iteration. The QA team performs continuous integration and system testing during the iterations, and then before the product is released. They perform performance, scale, and final system testing. You should also use the Agile methodology in your marketing and customer success functions as well to continuously improve how those teams get work done. So there you have it, an overview of product development for a SaaS business and what success looks like. So go to the innospherefund.com website and download the Building a Successful SaaS Business presentation so you can go deeper into the concepts I've covered in the video series, including all the hyperlinks and extra slides. Once you've established the product market fit for your business and are ready for seed funding, reach out to Innosphere Ventures and let's see if we can be your partner, helping guide you along your journey to success.